dolls, this is Crystal Chanel, and today I am bringing you a how-to video as far as how to put on this wig. Okay, Diva dolls, so this video is about how I installed my U-part wig. Now again, I am not a professional, I just do what works for me, and for the U-part wig, I already colored the hair. I will put some clips in showing you how I did the color, but long story short, this is a really quick video on how I put the wig on and how I blended my hair on the top, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started. So this is again a video showing how to install the U-part wig that by now you've seen I've already made. I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in some braids, but this is the beautiful wig. I absolutely love this hair. I love the color. I love everything about it. So if you don't know, this is the third video in the how to make a U-part wig series. Now this particular video, I'm just going to put the wig on. This is how I braided my hair. I just made that perimeter braid. So the skinny braid that you see, that's what I'm going to sew my wig on. As far as the other braids, it's just holding my hair. You can make them as big or as small as you like. So I'm using nylon thread. I'm using a needle that's hook shape. I find that when I'm doing my own installs, the hook shape is easier for me. Now this wig, I do not like this wig cap. It was on sale. I should have known better. It was buy one get one free at my local beauty supply store, but it's very small, so I'm just now trying to get it to fit on my head properly. I just decided to just kind of center the wig, and now I'm going to go ahead and start sewing. Now being that I've already done this, next time will use clips to kind of secure and hold the wig in place as I sew, because it was a little difficult trying to do this on your own. So if you can find someone to help you, that's great. If not, just use some bobby pins or some hair clips to kind of put your wig in place, and then go ahead and do your sewing. Now this part is pretty self-explanatory. Literally just going to sew the edges of this wig onto my actual braid. Keep in mind, you don't have to sew going through the weft of the hair or anything like that. For the wig, I'm just grabbing parts of the mesh and sewing it onto my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and basically do that all the way through and all the way around where you saw that perimeter braid for my hair. I'm basically just sewing this down. Now, once I'm finished sewing it down, I'm going to go ahead and take down my leave out. I didn't really talk about the leave out too much. It's kind of self-apparent, but my hair is really fine. So I had to leave enough leave out to cover the tracks, because you are going to have your natural hair out on top. This style may work for some, it may not work for others, but it works for me, especially when I'm working out and just want to have that natural look and didn't want to mess with the glue or the got to be gel or anything like that. So I double knotted and triple knotted the ends of my thread. I went ahead and cut it, and this is how it's looking. So I'm really feeling how it looks. With this style, you could really only wear your hair out or wear your hair in a ponytail. There's other ways that you can do your braid pattern, like a vixen pattern or something like that, if you wanted to try to make your U-part wig in pieces. But again, I am not a professional. this is just me doing what works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle part. I'm gonna show you dolls how it is that I actually blend out my hair. Just gonna go ahead and comb through my hair along with the extensions. And for your blending, you can actually use a barrel like heat crimping iron, but what I'm gonna do just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna flat iron my leave out, and then I'm going to do 2 big plaits and put heat along the plaits. That's like my little trick when it comes to waving your hair fast. But as far as keeping this style going, I'm going to actually do this hair at night. I'm just going to braid my hair in 2 big plaits. That way I can actually kind of get it to mimic the natural wave of the bundles. So again, you can straighten this hair, you can get your crimping iron, but for me, I went ahead and straightened my leave out, and now you'll see that I'm going to braid it down, and then I'm going to apply heat to it with my flat iron, and that's going to be that. Okay, so you can rock this with your braids if you want, but I'm just showing you how it looks braided, and then when I undo my braids, you can actually see how it crimped with my hair. Now, also, I did put a lot of moisturizer on my hair, so my hair looks really stringy, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably wash my hair and re-braid it, but this is the end result, and I am in love. This is how it ended up. I love how I have some natural hair out on the side. Remember, I'm doing this so that I can actually grow my natural hair while I take my hair vitamins. If you want more info about the hair vitamins, I can do a video or I can answer questions down below. Just leave me a comment, let me know. But when it comes to this wig, I love it because I can work out, I can sweat, I don't have to fool around with the got to be glue or putting a wig on or anything like that. So that's the reason for this. It's kind of limited when you have a U-part wig as far as parting is concerned, but that's okay. I love a nice middle part, honey, so no worries there. Yes, this hair is from my line from xocrissyhair. So this is a bundle of what I have in. My bundles are about 3.5 ounces, and this is 1 full bundle. As you can see, it has its natural curl pattern, so it's really beautiful hair. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, this is just a really quick series. I wanted to share with you dolls how it was that I made this U-part wig from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. If you tried my hairline, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more pictures or video, be sure to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. My name is @Crissy the doll. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels, and I'll put those links down below in the box. I want to thank you dolls so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.